Back to product zone. So within a week I've been using this amazing retractable hose, waterproof, good quality, 130 feet, and it rotates up to 180. I temporarily put it for here right now. I'm going to put in a stronger hose. It does carry a weight, so you got to make sure you have somewhere where you could screw it really well. So what I like about it, you could just pull it out however you want, right? And then it comes right back in. Right there, easy. And then you get a stopper right here that stops right there. You can see how good quality this is, and the nozzle is amazing. I'll put it on to show you guys. You have about 10 different type of pattern on this nozzle. Quick release, quick close, on and off, really nice. Got a really nice handle over here too. You gotta make sure I said they send screw, they send everything. And we're gonna show you guys the pressure right here. So wow, look at that pressure right there. So if you got your plants, you could just water your flower plants or whatever you want right here. It's great for washing car, patio, whatever you want. Look at the pressure. I'm telling you, it's pretty good. Really good overall for any thing you want to do. Look at that. Heavy duty for jet stream, washing your boats, washing your car, RV, pickup truck, whatever you got, this thing is ready to take on. Well, my favorite is just watering, and it's waterproof. You could just wet it. It's not a big deal. Water all your plants. I use it for my garden, and I use it to fill up my animal water bowls and stuff like that. I have no problem with it. It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful black and green. And as I mentioned, 130 feet, 180 angle. Really top of the line quality. Thumbs up here on Product Zone. This thing, check in the description box for more price and details. So we could go literally how far we want, and then it will stop, and then you just pull it front, and then it is stuck right there. Look at that. You pull it, no pressure. And then when you want to release it back, you pull it like this, and then it goes right here. Really good, smooth, very smooth. You notice some of them would literally pull you right back into it or hurt your hand. This does not. It really has a good system inside. Slow release system, very good for anyone. So if you're tired with all your messy hose and tangling, walking and tripping and do all that, get yourself a high quality retractable hose for multiple use. Honest review, thumbs up on Product Zone.